Hello, my dear young advocate friends. Welcome to an interesting and motivating video. In this video, I'll be talking about confidence in courtroom. So, are you ready to take on the courtroom with confidence and leave a lasting impression? All right. So, it's time to unleash your persuasive powers and become a force to be reckoned with. As a young advocate, stepping into the courtroom can be both exhilarating and daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to provide you with essential tips that will help you argue before the court with poise and conviction. Whether you are preparing your first case or looking to enhance your advocacy skills, these valuable insights will empower you to present your arguments with unwavering confidence. So let's dive into the world of courtroom advocacy and discover the keys to making your voice heard, leaving an indelible mark on every legal proceeding you undertake. Get ready to captivate the court, sway opinions, and make a lasting impact with these tried and true techniques. With the right guidance and a steadfast commitment to honing your skills, you can become a formidable advocate who commands attention, respect, and favorable outcomes. So be ready to embark on this transformative journey. Let's unlock the secrets of effective courtroom advocacy together. So number one, prepare, and prepare. Knowledge is your greatest weapon in the courtroom. So research your case thoroughly, understand the legal principles involved, and anticipate potential counter-arguments. The more you know, the more confident you will be when presenting your arguments. Number two, craft a strong opening statement. Grab the court's attention right from the start with a compelling opening statement. Clearly state the key issues, outline your main arguments, and set the tone for your entire presentation. Make it concise, persuasive, and engaging. Number three, structure your arguments. Organize your arguments in a logical and coherent manner. Start with your strongest points. Support them with relevant evidence and case laws. Whenever necessary, use headings and subheadings to help the court follow your line of reasoning. Clarity is the key. Number four, master the art of oral advocacy. You see, when presenting your arguments, you have to maintain a confident and composed demeanor. Speak clearly, modulate your voice, and make eye contact with the court. Use rhetorical devices. Emphasize certain points to drive your points home. And always be respectful and professional. Number five, handle questions with grace. Expect the court to ask questions, challenging your arguments. Stay calm and composed. Listen carefully to the question and respond thoughtfully. If you don't know the answer, be honest and offer to provide further answers or information later. See, being prepared also means being ready for the unexpected. Number six, address counter-arguments effectively. Anticipate potential counter-arguments from your opponents and be prepared to address them persuasively. Acknowledge opposing viewpoints, but highlight the strengths of your own position. Use analogies, examples, and case laws to reinforce your position and undermine the opposing arguments. Number seven, master the art of persuasion. Craft compelling narratives use persuasive language, and appeal to the court's sense of justice and fairness. Incorporate real-world examples and sometimes compelling stories to make your arguments relatable and memorable. Capture the court's imagination and leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Stay professional and ethical. See, maintain the highest standards of professionalism and ethics. Treat opposing counsel, the court, and all parties involved with respect and courtesy. Uphold the integrity of the legal profession and be a shining example of professionalism in the courtroom. And number 9, learn from every experience. Each courtroom appearance is an opportunity for you to learn and grow. So reflect on your performance, identify areas for improvement, and seek feedback from experienced mentors. Embrace constructive criticism and continuously refine your skills. Always remember, confidence comes with experience, preparation, and a deep understanding of the law. As a young advocate, your passion and dedication can make a difference. So step into the courtroom with unwavering confidence and make your voice heard. Wish you all the best and thanks for watching this video.